Hi there, what's up? How are you feeling today? Are you okay? I hope you answer my questions. Yo espero que tú contestes mis preguntas, siempre. Siempre cuando hago preguntas, quiero que tú contestes, pero no mentalmente, sino que tú hables frente a la pantalla. This way, you are practicing your speaking and your listening abilities. Okay? So every time when I ask you a question, cuando te hago una pregunta, pause the video and answer the question. Contesta la pregunta. Okay? Alright. Last classes we have studied aches and pains, dolores, flu, gripe, fever, fiebre, what else? Headache, dolor de cabeza, toothache, dolor de diente, stomachache, dolor de estómago. In this class, we're going to study cold, sore throat, and sneeze. Pero antes de empezar te pido, please, like this class. Dale un me gusta en esta clase. No solo en esta, como en todas nuestras clases. And at the end of this class, comment your examples in English, okay? Let's start. Cold es resfriado. Tú dices, I think I have a cold. Creo que tengo un resfriado right now. I have a sore throat. Estoy con dolor de garganta. I have a sore throat. Dolor de garganta. When I have a cold, I normally have a sore throat. Cuando tengo un cold, resfriado, I normally have a sore throat, un dolor de garganta. Or you can say, I have a sneeze. I'm sneezing all the time. Sneeze, estornudar. I'm sneezing all the time. Estoy estornudando a todo momento. I'm sneezing. So in this class we studied sneeze, estornudar, cold, resfriado, and sore throat, dolor de garganta. Now I ask you, are you having a sore throat now? When you have a cold, do you sneeze a lot? How often do you have a cold? Acuérdate que how often means con qué frecuencia. How often do you have a cold? Con qué frecuencia tienes un resfriado. Si tienes dudas en esto, vuelve a nuestra clase de how often. Okay? Comment your answers in English. Go on our website, complete the exercise related to this class. Answer the questions and share this class with your friends. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. In this class, we talk about allergies. Alergia. Tal vez you are sneezing a lot because you are allergic to cats